Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to apply income tax certificate step by step. Start by gathering ID, income proofs, address verification, and employer statements like Form 16 or Form 1099. Register or sign into the tax portal, complete the online application form, upload your scanned documents, and confirm all details. Pay any required fees, note your application reference, and monitor portal updates until the certificate is issued to you. Collect and organize each document before opening the application to avoid delays. Scan or photograph ID, income statements, and address proofs with clear visibility. Keep originals handy for verification if requested and ensure file sizes meet portal limits. Label files logically so uploading is fast, and double-check that employer forms like Form 16 list accurate income. Having everything ready makes the application smooth and reduces the chance of requests for more information. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making clear tutorials. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It has voice control and smart mapping to clean while you focus on forms. It saves time, reduces clutter, and adds a bit of tech joy to tax day. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Begin by creating an account and completing your profile on the tax portal. Carefully enter name, taxpayer ID, income figures, and contact details exactly as shown on documents. Upload scans of ID, income proofs, and address verification, then preview the form to correct errors. Submit the application, complete payment if required, and save the reference number. Check portal messages and your email for status updates until the certificate is issued.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.